Hello, welcome to Miss Shelley's Playful Projects. Today we're going to make an automata. Here are the supplies you'll need. A hot glue gun, some regular glue, a piece of straw about an inch long, a skewer. I've used one skewer and broke it in half, a printout of a ballerina or anything else you want to use for your automata, a tiger, a dragon, 2 circles of cardboard, and a cardboard box cut out. First, you're going to cut your box out of cardboard. You want a 3-sided box, so that means one side will be opened. You want to measure it the same on each side. I've made mine 3 inches on each side and 3 inches up. So I have 3, 6, 9 inches for the box part. Then I measured 3 inches up on each side for the lid. Once you've cut it out, you're going to score the back so that you can fold it in. Once you fold it in, you're going to fold the top down, and you're going to use your hot glue gun to glue this in place. Glue each side. And then we're going to let that dry. Next, you're going to cut out your cardboard circles. You want your cardboard circles to be able to fit inside your box without touching the edges. Once you've cut out 2 cardboard circles, you're going to use your skewer to make a hole in each side of your box. Now you want your skewer to go straight across, like so. I'm going to take that out, and you're going to take one of your circles and poke a hole in the center of it with your skewer. Once you've made your holes, you're going to poke your skewer into one side, poke it through the hole in your circle, and then poke it through the other side. Now you're going to take your skewer and you are going to poke a hole in the top of your box. Like so. The top hole you want to be big enough to put your straw through. So you're going to want to expand that hole. A pencil works really well for this, to be large enough to slide your straw through. You're going to take your second circle and you're going to put some glue right in the center there, and you're going to glue the end of your stick to that. Once your glue has dried, You're going to take your skewer and you're going to slide it up to where it just rests on the bottom circle. Then you'll take your straw and slide it over the skewer. And we're just going to use a little bit of glue to keep the straw in place. Once that is dried, you're going to attach the figurine you want. I printed it out on both sides so when it spins around you can see it from either side. We're going to attach it to our tip of our skewer. Now you want to adjust the gears. Your centerpiece should hit the top piece a little off to the side. Once you've done that, you can spin the bottom piece around and your ballerina will spin using the gears on the bottom. That's all for now. Have a great day.